Hey guys, this is Harmony's call. Today I want to show you how to install the Galaxy Z Fold 7 case. Let's go.
You need one of this lint-free microfiber. You need to make sure you rub it because any lint or debris on the phone will affect the installation. Then we get the case. Oh, don't forget this. This is very important. Here comes the front cover. See, because the foldable phone is a little bit different. See, 1, 2, 3 side, they leave the other spec open, so it will be wiggle on your phone without the tape. So yeah, it's an adhesive strip. So you peel this off, then go from this one. Make sure you remove this blue thingy and here. You know, sometimes the adhesive strip will be off. You just need to do like this, you know, hold it, make sure it stay on the case, and then grab the handle, give some push, press, and then move it up. You grab your phone, make sure you rub it with the lint-free microfiber close, and then you do this. Now it's very important, okay? What you need to do, you remember there's a tape here, right? So you do this. Make sure you stay on the right position. You do this. Press and hold slowly. Press and hold slowly. Press and hold slowly. Right. And now, remember we have here and here the same thing. Press and hold. Press and hold. Press and hold. I mean, you need to give some force, but mostly it's gentle, okay? And that's it. So it stayed very well. Now, grab the back cover. So for the back cover, we test it. We use one of this tape. It's enough to hold the phone stay there. All you need to do, just like this. Press it and hold and done. Meanwhile, this hand, okay, push it over so it can match perfectly. Push it over and press and hold like this. Slowly roll down. It stays really well. If you want an extra phone, or say you still feel it's not strong enough, this is the other thing you need to do, okay? So take it off. And we grab this one. We put the extra in your package just in case these stuff happen. So make sure you wipe the back, okay? So you grab one of these, right? Grab one. Okay. Stick to the case and press it. Gently remove the plastic part, okay? Grab another one. Do the same thing. And then remove it. So we got 1, 2, 3. But I understand the foldable phone is weird. All phone case will have 3 sides, so you will be loose here. But we still can add more. Grab this one, okay? Grab it, place it here. These methods for extra firm, because I know some customers like it. Just give some rub and peel it off, right? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. They still have extra. You can use a scissor to cut it. Measure the length here and here. I'm not talking about the back, but the sides here. So you cut it, give it a small one, place it here. Press gently, and then take this off. Okay? So we got this one, right? So we measure it a little bit. So you can see it go here. What I'm talking about here is for the you know, extra snug fit. I do recommend people doing this, and then use your nail. Get this off. Grab your phone, wipe it again in case there's dust or anything. Do this. And so we got one here, right? Use your left hand or even the other hand to push the case here, because for the perfect lineup, push here and the other hand do this. We hold it. 20 seconds. Make sure you press and hold And then go to the top, the same thing. Press and hold. 1, 2, 3. You can count to 20. Press and hold. The hand through this, push and press and hold. We also got a 1 here and 2 there, right? I mean, I know I install a lot, but if you want a perfect snug fit, you have to do whatever you want. Use extra strip you want, it's fine. Hold it 20 seconds. Ooh, fits so good.
That's it. Because the foldable phone only have 3 sides, so we have to use a lot of tape to keep the phone case on the phone firmly. So feel free to use as many tapes as you want. If you have any question or problem, just make sure to email us or contact us on our website. We will be here to support. Thank you so much for the support. You rock. Let's go.